grill the other day and then went out there and said, never mind. So it really is almost time for grilling season, depending on where you live. And this is our Power Scour. I have to say that slow. If you try to say Power Scour fast, it really doesn't work. This is a bristleless, meaning it's not going to hurt your grill. It is effective in cleaning, but gentle at the same time. And it's a whole brush set. So you get the actual scour, and then you're also going to get all the things that you need to make grilling season more enjoyable. Would you like your set in the black choice, which is what I have right here, or I have a red choice? And let me just clarify with my producer. Chance, the gray is gone? Okay, we did have more than the two colors here, but the gray is gone. You're also going to get extra brush heads. So when it is time to say goodbye to these, they've been used and abused, throw them away, and you've got two more brush heads ready on standby. All right, Jeremy, tell me about our Power Scour.
Hey, so if you've ever used sort of a wire brush and you do it, and what happens, they all get, the wires go like this, and then they don't scrub anymore, and maybe one gets stuck on your grill, and then you wind up with a piece of wire in your hamburger. Okay,
Ugh.
so these are wireless, bristleless scrubbers. They are woven steel there, see? So they won't fall apart. They won't shred. They're also great for cleaning. You could use them hot. Do this, best time to clean your grills when it's hot. In the basin, just water. That's all you need. Just add some water here, okay? And then you're going to dip this. Now, I am inside right now, so I don't have a hot grill, okay? But just to give you an idea here, I could take this wet like this, come over here, and then scrub down that grill and get it nice and clean and ready to go, because who knows what's going on. If it's been sitting outside over winter, it's probably full of rust, right? It's probably oxidized, and who knows, there might even still be some steak left from last summer on there. So get it hot. If it's extra grimy, up here, these are for scraping. See, let me turn it around this way so you can see better this way. Okay, there you go. There are two different shapes of grills. There's the ones that are flat, like this one right here, and then there's the ones that are round, like this. So whichever grill you have, this will scrape. If you have any of that extra grime on there, get right here and just use that for scraping all that. You don't need that extra hard to get off stuff. Scrape it, hit this with some water, go back, and you will have a beautifully clean grill every time that you cook. And then just to clean it,
grills are expensive, Jeremy, so you have got to take care of them. If you're not cleaning your grill and you keep firing it up and making all your meals on it, I mean, you at some point are gonna realize, okay, yeah, we really need to be cleaning this and cleaning it well. And I love that you get everything in a nice, easy storage container. So you just go ahead and you put the little caddy with your water. When you're done with the water, dump that out, put it back together, and then you get the extra brush heads as well, Jeremy.
Yeah, that's right. And you know, these brush heads are going to last you 4 seasons. And of course, it depends on how much you grill. People will ask, how long does it last you? I mean, if you are cleaning your grill every day, you'll get a solid season out of it. I mean, again, if you live in California and you're grilling 12 months a year, okay, you might change it every 6 months. Okay, so it depends, but they are very tough. This is the Power Scour 3.0, which we love the first one. They just keep making them better and better and better. And so you could use it for indoor grills, outdoor grills. You could use this on cast iron if you need to. If you just, because you want to clean with just water, always best to clean with a hot grill. This is made for a hot grill and just water. You don't have to use any chemicals. And it's really easy to clean, to change out the heads too. And you get 2 extras. So all you're going to do is remove it. This little dowel comes out here. You're going to take the replacement one here and just go like this, okay? And then this goes through here, and then you're just going to tighten it like this. So it's a very simple design. Henning Lee makes everything, no tools needed, and that is ready to go. I'll tighten that on there. Awesome. And now this guy is ready to just dip in your water, come over here and scrub and clean your grill.
Now remember, in that video, you did see a gray color a few times, and the gray did sell out. But what I do have, especially if you were interested in that gray, I would go here. I would go with the black, and then I also have the red option too. Think about the griller in your life. If you've been to someone's home and they're always grilling, or you just want to get ready for the next season, and that means barbecue season, this is $25. It does include the extra set of brush heads, K91 And if you want to use that helpful payment plan, don't forget that's there for you as well. It's a $5 easy pay. Now,